Hello my students, how are you? Prep 3. Today we'll solve weekly assessment number 10, end of the second month exercises. First question algebra. Okay, first question, choose the correct answer. The positive middle proportional between 2 and 18 is, we know, positive proportional between 2 and 18, it will be square root of the first product by the third. We know the middle proportional will be positive or negative, but in this example he wants to find the positive only. Then the result will be positive or negative 6. You must choose 6, letter D. Next question, number 2. If 2, 3, 4 and x minus 1 are proportional quantities, then x equal, okay, we have 2 over 3 equivalent to 3 or 4 over x minus 1. Then x minus 1 equivalent, the product of extremes equal product of means. 3 times 4, 12 divided by 2, 6. And the value of x equal 7. Next question, number 3. If x minus 1, 2, 4 and x plus 1 are proportional quantities, then x equal be what? We have x minus 1 over 2. It's equivalent to 4 over x plus 1. The product of extremes equal product of means. X minus 1 times x plus 1, it will be x power 2 subtract by 1. It's the difference between 2 squared. And 2 plus times 4 is 8. Then x power 2 equal 8 plus 1 is 9. So x equal positive or negative square root of 9. Then the result will be positive or negative 3. Belonging to natural number. But x here belonging to natural number. Belonging to natural number, it's meaning x will be positive 3. Choose letter B. Okay, look at here, x belonging to natural number. And the answer will be letter B. Next question. If A, x, b and 2x are proportional quantities, then the ratio between A to B equal what? We have A over x equal b over 2x. We can sample this by divided by x such that x is not equal to 0. Then the ratio between A to B is equivalent 1 to 2. A over B equivalent to 1 over 2. Next question. Which of the following graphs represent direct variation between x and y? We must choose letter A, straight line which passes through the center point. Next question. It folds y here like a direct. This question, but okay. We called it what? Variations direct variation. This sign we called it direct variation, like this. Okay, we called it what? Direct variation. If y direct variation by x and y equal 2, when x equal 8, then x equal 12, when y equal space. Y is direct variation by x, is meaning y1 over y2, it's equivalent to x1 over x2. We have y1 goes to, when x1 was 8, x1 8. We want to find y2 when x2 is 12. Then we can find y2 equal 2 times 12, 24, divided by 8 is 3. Then y2 here will be equal 3. Next question. If x times y equal 8, then y direct variation by what? We can write y equal 8 over x. Then y is direct variation with 1 over x. Direct variation with 1 over x. Choose letter B. Letter number 8. If x power 2 y power 2 subtract 14, x power 2 y plus 49 equals 0, then y direct variation by what? We can factorize this expression by perfect square. Square root of the first will be x power 2 y x power 2y, and write the sign of the middle here negative. Okay, this sign negative. Square root of the third 49 7 all power 2 equals 0. Then take a square root from left hand side, right hand side, then x power 2y minus 7 equals 0. Then x power 2y is equivalent to 7. Then we write here the relation between y and what? We can write y is equals 7 over x power 2. Then y, relation between it and x power 2, 1 over x power 2. Direct variation by 1 over x power 2, which shows letter D. Next question, number 9. The number that when any two numbers 1, 3, 6 becomes continuous proportional what? We have 1 and 3 and 3 and 6. What is the number? Will be 8 to numerator and denominator here, and also numerator and denominator about second proportional. 2 will be equivalent. What's the number here? What about 3? What about if we put 3 here? Look at here. If we put 3, then 1 plus 3 4, 3 plus 3 6, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9. If we want symbol is this fraction and this fraction, it's correct or not? It's not correct because here 6. Okay, now it will be correct because 3 plus 3 6. Then 6 plus 6 36, 4 times 1 36. Then the answer here will be letter B. If we eat 3 about 1 and 3 and 6, then the result will be or becomes continuous proportion. Continuous proportion means 1 over 3 equivalent to 3 over 6 plus number. What's the number here? It will be 3. If you put 3, it will be continuous proportion. Next question, second. Here, find the number if added to the number 3, 5, 9, and 13 becomes proportional, continuous, or proportional only. Okay, proportional, not continuous proportional. It's proportional. It's meaning what? We must put the number here. Let the number equal x. Okay, then 3 plus x over 5 plus x, it's equivalent to 3 plus x over 5 plus x equal 9 plus x over 13 plus x. Okay, 3, 5, 9, 13. Okay, the product of extremes equals the product of means. We can write 9 plus x product by 5 plus x equivalent to 3 plus x product by 13 plus x. 9 times x is to be 45. 9 times x, 9x. 5 times x, 5x. X times x, x power 2. 3 times 13 equals 39. 3 times x equals 3x. X times 13 equals 13x. X times x, x power 2. Cancel. 13x plus 3 equals 16x. 45 plus 9x plus 5x, it will be 14x. 16x minus 14x equal 2x. 45 minus 39, 15 minus 9 equals 6. Then the number here will be 3. Then the number here will be 3. Okay. Next question. Number 2. X over 3 equal y over 4 equivalent z over 5. Find the value of this expression. First, we can write such that x over 3 equivalent to y over 4 equivalent to z over 5. We must put the constant here like k, and k constant not equal 0. Then the value of x equal 3k, and y equal 4k, and z equal 5k. Okay, then put in this expression here x subtract by y plus z over 2x plus y. We can write equivalent to x here equal 3k subtract by 4k plus z here plus 5k over 2x. 2 times 3k equals 6k plus y was 4k. 3 minus 4 minus 1 plus 5, it will be 4k, and 6 plus 4 equal 10. We can simplify the result, it will be 20 over 2 over 5. percentage will be 2 over 5. Okay, next question. A over C over minus B over equivalent C plus D over C minus A, prove that A, B, C are A, B, C, and D are in proportional. Okay. How we can prove that? We can write the product of streams equal product of means. To simplest it, to find A over B equivalent B over C, A over B equal C over D, you must prove that A over B equals C over D. Okay, so we must first use this property: the product of streams equals the product of means. A minus B times C plus D, product here, A minus B, product by C plus D, it's equivalent to A plus D, A plus B times C minus A. Then A times C, it will be AC. A times D, it will be AD. Negative B times C, negative BC. Negative B times D, negative BD. A times C, AC. A times negative A, it will be negative. We have here A. Okay, it's true. A times C, and we have here C minus A times A power 2, and B times C, B times A, negative AP. We can cancel again C minus A. Okay, never mind, complete with me here now. AC by AC, and we have BC, and we have also AD. Okay, we have wrong here. Okay, wait. But here it's D, not it's A will be D. Change about A, it will be D. About Arabic, about the exam, this will be D, not A. Okay, you must change this sign. Okay, change the sign here from A, it will be D. Write this D. Okay, and correct. A times D, it will be AD negative. Negative AD cancel. Negative AD, okay, or positive negative. Okay, negative D. We cancel negative AP. We have AP, and here AD positive, and BC and BCD. Okay, again about the sign, we have A plus B over A minus B, and here over C subtract by D. Okay, again A minus B times C plus D equal A plus B product by C minus D. A times C equal AC. A times D AD. Negative B times C, negative BC. Negative B times D, negative BD. And also A times C AC. A times negative D, negative AD. And P times C PC. B times negative D, it will be BD. Okay, P times D, BD. Then negative BD, we can cancel it also. Then we have AD minus PC. It's equivalent to negative AD plus PC. Negative BC moved here, it will be 2PC. Negative AD move here, it will be 2A. We cancel 2 by 2. The ratio between A over B is equivalent to what? A product by D and B product by C. Then A over B equivalent to C over D. Then A, B, and C and D are in proportion. Okay, understood the wrong here. You must write this D, not A. Cancel and write D. Next question. This question number 4. If 5A equivalent 3B, find the value of this expression, or is about numerator and denominator, about the value of 7A plus 9B divided by the sum of 4A plus 2B. First step, we can write the ratio here. A over 5, it's equivalent to no. Right here, A and B. What's the time of A here? A times 5. Write 5 here down. And B times 3. Write 3 here. Then we can write a constant here, because 3B equivalent to 5A. 5, the product of streams equal product of means. Okay, A times 5 equivalent to 3 times B. Then we can write K, numerator and numerator. Then the value of A here equal 3K, and B equal 5K, and K will be not equal 0. So 7A plus 9B to 4A plus 2b equivalent to 7 times a here 3k. 3 times 7 is 21, and we have 9 times b. 9 times 5 is 45k. 4 times a, 4 times 3, it will be 12a plus 2 times b. 2 times 5 is 10k. 12 plus 21 plus 45, 1 plus 5 6, 4 plus 2 6, and cancel k by k, constant here. Okay, this number here we have 12k. 12 plus number 22, we can sample is 66 divided by 2. The answer will be 3. Understood? Again, we have 7a plus 9b, it's equivalent to, okay, again 7a plus 9b equivalent to 4a plus 2b. We put the value of a here equal 3k. 3 times 7 is 21, and 9 times b, 5 times 9 45. 4 times a was 3k. 3 times 4 is 12k, and 2 times b was 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Cancel k by k, and here 6 and 6, and here 22. The divided will be 3. Next question, number 5. If x over y equal 3 over 5, finds the value of this expression. We can write x equal 3k and y equal 5k, and k is a constant, not equal 0 here. So 2x plus y over 5. X plus y is equivalent. 2 times 3 equals 6, and y was 5k. 5 times x, 5 times 3 equal 15k, and y was 5k. 11k and 20k. Understood? The value of y 5k, and we have here 2 times x and 5 times x. You can cancel k by k. 11 over 20 is the answer. Next question, number 6. If x over 3 equivalent to y over 4 equivalent z over 5, prove that this expression left hand side equal right hand side. First step, we can write the value of x will be 3k, and the value of y equal 4k. Value of z is 5k, and then we can write right hand side square root of 3x power 2 plus 3y power 2 plus z power 2. X here was 3k, it will be 9k power 2. 3 times y power 2, y here 16. 16 times 3 equal 48. K power 2, z power 2. 5 power 2 is will be 25, k power 2. 9 plus 48 plus 25. We have 3x power 2, 3 times x again, 3 times 9. We have 3 here, 3 times 9 is 27. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 0 and carry up 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 8, 10. And the answer will be 10k. Okay, it's right hand side, and the left hand side equal to x plus y. 2 product by the value of x here, the x was 3k. 2 times 3 equals 6k, and y was 4k. Summation equal 10k. The left hand side is equivalent to right hand side. Okay, find answer here. Number 1, if y equal 3 plus e, y equal 3 plus e, and A is direct variation by x, 1 over x, we can put A equivalent to k over x, and k constant not equal 0 here. So in this relation, y will be equal 3 plus A. Cancel A and write k over x. It's the value of y. When y equal 5 and x equal 1, we can find the constant here. Put x equal 1 and y equal 5. Then 5 it's equivalent to 3 plus k over value of x1. Okay, then k will be equal to k equal to, in the relation number 1 between x and y will be equal 3 plus k, cancel k and write 2 over x. It's relation between y and x. And then find the value when x equal to. At x equal to, then the value of y equal 3 plus 2 over 2. And then the value of y, it will be 4. 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 plus 3 equal 4. Next question. Number 8. Are moving at constant velocity such that the distance traveled t directly proportional to times t. We have relation between distance and the time. Then distance 1 over distance 2 equivalent time 1 over time 2. Then distance 1 was 150 kilometer and time 1 6 hours. How many kilometers distance number 2 will be what when the times 2 was 10 hours? We can find here k, or distance number 2. Right, 150 times 10 over 6. Distance 2, it will be what? Right, the answer will be here 1500 divided by 6 will be 250. The distance will be 250 kilometer. Okay, next question here, number 9. Number 9, or yes, number 9 is this. First, number 9. If a plus 2 over 6 equivalent plus 3c over c proves that a direct variation by c, we can use here the properties. The product of extremes equals the product of means. Okay, we can write a plus 2b, the product of extremes equal product of means. A plus 2b product by 3 is equivalent to 6 product by equivalent to 6 product by p plus 3c. Then 3 times 8 will be 3a, 3 times 2 equals 6, 6p, 3 times 6 is 18c. We can subtract together, cancel 6b by 6b, then 3a is equivalent to 18c. We can divide it by 3, then a equals 6c, then the value here, I want to find the relation between a and c. Okay, it's a direct relation by c. Next question, number 10. B is the middle proportion between a and c proves that b minus c or a minus b all power 2 equivalent to e over c. We have here b is the middle proportion between a and c. It's meaning e over p equivalent to b over c. Put here constant k, and k not equal 0. It's constant. Then a will be c k power 2 and b will be equal ck. You must know these properties. Okay, a equals ck power 2 because a equal p times k and b equals c times k. If you put p equals ck, this relation, then a will be ck power 2, then a equivalent to ck power 2 and b equals ck. You must know these properties to solve this example. Okay, explain this evolution in Arabic. Okay, you can do a video to listen Arabic about, you can't know anything, but now I speak about math, about English all the time. Okay, b right hand side, start from right hand side here, b minus c over e minus b all power 2. We can put the value of a here equivalent to ck, subtract by c over A minus B. A here was ck power 2, subtract by B equals ck all power 2. We can write the headcomb factor between two terms here. It will be c. ck times c equal be k minus 1 over here. Write ck headcomb factor. ck power 2 divided ck, it will be k minus 1. All power 2 cancel these brackets by these brackets and c by c, then the answer will be 1 over k power 2. And what about left hand side? C over A. The constant here C, and A was ck power 2. You can cancel it in the simplest. So left hand side will be equivalent to right hand side. It will be 1 over k power 2. Okay. Next question. First, midpoint between A and B, it will be what? We have A equals 6 and 1, B negative 2 and 3, then the midpoint. We can write the midpoint here in geometry. This question of geometry, okay? Will be right what? We can 8, 6 plus negative 2, it will be 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2. We write, look at here, x1 plus x1 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Next question. Number 2. If the point 3 and negative 1 lies the middle midpoint between A and B. We have point here 3 and negative 1. A was x and 2 and B was 10 and y. We can start at the point here 3 and negative 1 because 3 and 1 lies in the middle. You must start by the midpoint. Okay, the middle here 3 and negative 1. Alright, x plus 10 divided by 2 and 2 plus y divided by 2. Then you can write 3. It's equivalent to x plus 10 over 2. And also negative 1 is equivalent to 2 plus y over 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 equivalent to x plus 10, then x will be negative 4 here. And also 2 times negative 1 into 2. We used here the product of extremes equals the product of means. And negative 2 12 will be 2 plus y. So the value of y here, it will be negative 4. Then the point here, negative 4 and negative 4. Here you must collect x and y. It will be negative 8. We can add together here. The answer will be negative 8. Next question. Number 3. ABCD square. We are A 3 and 5. B. We have A and C. We won't find the slope of BD. Okay. We know the properties of square. Square is parallelogram, which two adjacent sides are equal lengths and the measure of each angle equal 90 degrees. And we know also the two diagonal perpendicular. It's meaning what? It's meaning slope 1 product by slope 2 equal negative 1. Then we can find the slope of first AC, first line segment AC or straight line AC. It will be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We have here A and C. Okay, 5 minus 1, it will be 5 plus 1, 6. And 5 minus 3 is 2. 6 divided by 2 equal 3. Then the slope number 2, we can raise this number inverse of this. Again, slope of AC, 5 minus 3. No, negative 1 minus 5, negative 6. Again, negative 1 minus 5, negative 6. 5 minus 3 is 2. The answer will be negative 3. In the slope 2, we must write the inverse about this number, multiplicative inverse, and change the sign. Okay, then the slope will be 1 over 3. The answer here will be 1 over 3. Why? Because slope 1 times slope 2 equal negative 1. Ask yourself, the answer here, negative 3 times what equal 1? We can write the inverse about this number and write the sign, also change the sign. The product between them equal negative 1. Negative 3 times 1 over 3 will be negative 1. Okay, understood? Then the answer here will be what? 1 over 3. Okay. Next question. If the midpoint of intersection diagonals of parallelogram, we are 8, 2, and 5. Oh, we know with parallelogram, two diagonals bisect each other. Then we know here M is the midpoint between A and C. Point M was 1, and 3. A, we have point E 2 and 5, and point C equal X and Y. We can start at the point M. Point M equal 1 and 3. It's equivalent to look at here, 2 plus X divided by 2, and here Y plus 5 divided by 2. We can collect. First 1 equal 2 plus X over 2, and second 3 is equivalent Y plus 5 over 2. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 plus X over 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 equal 2 plus X. And the value of X here will be equal to, okay, 2 times 3, 6 equal Y plus 5. And the value of Y equal 1. Then we have the point will be 2 and 1. 2. Okay, again, not correct here about point C. Here give here point C X. We have 1 and 3 midpoint, and we have here 2 and 5. 1 3. We have 2 plus X over 2. Okay, 2 times 1 2. X here 0, not 1. 4. This one, not 2. This one. Okay, and then the value of X here it will be 0. Then the point will be 0 and 1. Okay, letter D. Next question. The straight line passing through the 2 points. We have 2 points. It makes angles. Make an angle. The positive direction x-axis measure will be what? Okay, we know the slope. It's equivalent to tan theta. Tan theta will be equivalent to the slope. Okay. We can find the slope here by, right, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Negative 5 minus 1, it will be negative 6. Negative 5 minus 1 is negative 6. Negative 6 divided negative 6 equal 1. Then theta here, it will be 45 degree. The measure of angle here will be 45 degree. Shift n 1 will be 45. If a straight line AB parallel to x-axis. What's the meaning of EP parallel to x-axis? It's meaning the slope will be 0. A slope will be 0, okay? Then M here reverse to slope. Slope will be 0. We know slope equivalent to y2 minus y1. We have y minus 2 over negative 5 minus 4. It will be 0. This number will be 0 where y equal to. Where y equal to, then the slope will be 0, okay? Next question. If the original is the midpoint between A and B. Look at here, we have point 0 and 0. The midpoint between A and B. A was 5 and negative 2. What is the point B here? We can raise the inverse about sign here. Negative 5 and 2. It will be negative 5 and 2 solution. Negative 5 and 2, choose letter D. Next question. Slope of the line that makes angle 45 with the positive direction x-axis, it will be what? We can write tan 45, it will be 1. Choose letter A. The answer here will be letter A, okay? Next question. Slope of the line parallel to the x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means the slope will be 0. Choose letter B. Next question. The line. Yes, we have to prove here about these questions. Number 1, here we have L1 but through the points L1 point A, and L2 makes angle of 45 with the positive x-axis. Find the value of K if lines L1 and L2 are parallel and perpendicular. We have number 1, which L1 L2 parallel, L1 parallel to L2, it's meaning slope 1 equal to slope 2. What's about slope 1? Slope 1, right, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, k minus 1 up over 2 minus 3, equivalent to m2. Equivalent to m2 here to be 10. Theta was 45. 10 45. We need to 45 1. Then k minus 1 over 2 minus 3 equal 1. Then k minus 1 equal negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. In the value of k here, it will be 0. It's the first condition. Second condition here, where perpendicular. Perpendicular, it's meaning slope 1 times slope 2 equal negative 1. Slope 1 will be, look at here, k minus 1 over 2 minus 3 product by slope number 2 and 45 is 1 and 45. The product equal negative 1. Then k minus 1 over 2 minus 3 negative 1 equal negative 1. Then k minus 1 equal negative 1 times negative 1 is 1. Then the value of k equal, move negative 1 here, 1 plus 1 is 2. Then the value of k here equal 2. This is the second condition. Okay. Number 2, find the measure. Number 2, find the measure of the angle Q. This line makes with the positive direction x-axis. It passes through 2 points 5 and negative 1 and 4 and negative 2. Okay. In this question, we have slope tan theta equivalent to slope. Slope here equal y2 minus y1, right? Negative 2 minus 1. It will be negative 2 plus 1. 4 minus 5. Okay. What's theta here? We know negative 2 plus 1 negative 1 and 4 minus 5 negative 1. Then tan theta equal 1. Then the measure of angle theta, it will be 45 degree. Measure angle theta, it will be 45. Number 3, we have A, B, C, D are 4 points in a perpendicular condition coordinate plane. Okay, prove AC and PD bisect each other. We can prove AC and BD bisect each other. How? Put M1 is the midpoint between A and C. Okay, and put M2 between B and D. If M1 equivalent to M2, then AC and PD bisects each other. Okay, so we can find first M1, the midpoint between A and C. Look at here with me about your eye. Okay, 4. Look at here, C and A. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 divided by 2. And 0 plus 4, 4 divided by 2. Then the answer will be 3 and 2. And M2 lies between B and D. B and D. We must start from right hand side. 0 plus 4. Again, replaced. Okay. 0 plus 4, 4 over 2. And here, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 divided by 2. Then the answer will be 2 and 3. And the M2 here between B and D. Okay. B and D. 0 plus 4, look at here, 0 and 4, 0 plus 4 over 2, and 2 plus 4 over 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. And the point will be 2 and 3. So M1 equivalent to M2, then AC and BD bisect each other. You can write this. Next question. Right triangle, we have if the triangle here, right angle triangle, is the value of y. Okay, right angle triangle where at P. What is the meaning this? It's meaning AB perpendicular to BC. They are perpendicular. AP and BC perpendicular. Okay, it's mean slope of, we have here M1, slope of AB and the slope of AB product by slope of CB equivalent to -1. Then first step we must write slope of AB. We have here AB slope equal y2 minus y1. 3 minus minus 1, it will be 3 plus 1 over 2 minus minus 1, it will be 2 plus 1. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 over 3. And the slope of BC, look at here, BC, y minus 3 over 6 minus 2. Then the answer will be y minus 3 over 6 minus 2, 4. We know slope 1 times slope 2 is -1. Then we can product together. Y minus 3 over 4 product by 4 over 3 equal -1. We can simplest cancel 4 by 4. Then y minus 3 over 3 equal -1. Y minus 3 equivalent 3 times -1, it will be -3, and will be y will be equal 0. Y will be equal 0. Okay. Next question. C4 and Y is the midpoint of AP, where x 3 and B 6 and 5, and the value of x plus y. C is the midpoint between A and B. We have the point C here, 4 and Y. Midpoint between A and B. A was x and 3, and B was 6 and 5. We can start at the point here, 4 and Y. It's the midpoint. We can write 6 plus x divided by 2 and 5 plus 3 divided by 2. And first projection, 4 will be equal 6 plus x over 2. 2 times 4 equal 8 equal 6 plus x. Then the value of x equal 2, and y equal 5 plus 3 4, 8 plus 2 4. Okay, where x here, and this y. Okay, then y plus 2 equals 6. Again 4 and y between x 3, 6 and 5. We have 6. If you put here 2 plus 6, 8 divided by 2 4. 5 plus 3 8, 8 divided by 2 4. Okay, then x plus y, it will be 6. You want x plus y. Next question, number 6. Prove that the point ABCD vertex of or vertices of trapezium. We know trapezium has two pair, one pair parallel, two sides parallel only. So we must find the slope AB, BC, CD, DA, and found two straight line slope of them are equal. Okay, we must start about AB and DC. Okay, I will find it. Slope of AB and slope of we have like this, A, B, C, D. Okay, I will write first AB and CD. Okay, slope of AB and CD. Slope of AB equivalent to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Look at here, we have A and B, A and B here. Write 8 minus 0 up, 8 minus 0 slope of AB. Okay, look at here, 8 minus 0 over 5 minus minus 1, 5 plus 1, that will be 8 over 6. The result will be 4 over 3. And about here, C AP like this, A, B, C, D. Okay, I will find CD. Okay, C and D. We have 6 minus 8 over 1 minus 5. AP, we have no, I read wrong. AP, look at here again. Okay, I will write the numbers because it's not clear. Okay, the slope of AB, look at here, A and B. This A and B, 4 minus 0 first over 7 minus minus 1 it will be 4 over 8, it will be half. And slope of CD, C and D, okay, 6 minus 8 over 1 minus 5. 6 minus 8 equal negative 2, 1 minus 5 negative 4, the slope 1 over 2. Okay, then M1 equivalent M2, then ABCD is trapezium. Okay, next question. If AB is the diameter circle with the center M, find the coordinate of point E. Okay, M is the midpoint. Diameter of the circle, and M is the center 5 and 7. Point B was 8 and 11. He wants to find the coordinate of point E. I will write X and Y. Okay, start at the middle point 5 and 7. Write X plus 8 divided by 2 and Y plus 11 divided by 2. Then 5 equal X divided by 2. 2 times 5, 10. 10 equal X plus 8. Then the value of X equal 2. 7 equal Y plus 11 over 2. 2 times 7, 14. 14 equal Y plus 11. And the value of Y equal 3. Okay, we have X and Y. Okay, and the point A will be 2 and 3. It's point A. Next question, number 8. Number 8, ABCD parallelogram. With sides we have point A, B and C. Find the coordinate of the intersecting diagonals and then find the coordinate of D. We have a parallelogram like this, A, B, C, D. First step, we must find the midpoint between A and C because we know coordinate of A and C. Okay, M is the midpoint of AC. First step, you can find the midpoint between what? A and C, diagonal here, because two diagonal bisect each other. Then we can start between A and C. Look at here, point A 3 and 2, and point C was 0 and -3. We can write 2 plus we have X plus X, right? 3 plus 0 divided by 2, right? 2 minus 3 over 2. Then the point here, 3 divided by 2, and 2 minus 3 negative 1, negative 1 over 2. It's point M. We know M lies between A and D. Again, we have point A and C. A was 3 and 2, and B and C was 3 and negative 0 and 3. We can write 3 plus 0 over 2, and 2 plus negative 3 over 2, it will be negative 1 over 2. We must start at the midpoint equivalent between B and D. I will put now dx and y. Okay, put order here, dx and y, and B was 4 and negative 5. We can write 4 plus x over 2, and also negative 5 plus y divided by 2. And then the first here, 3 over 2, it's equivalent to 4 plus x over 2. We can cancel 2 by 2. Then 4 equal negative 1, x equal negative 1. And write negative half equivalent to negative 5 plus y over 2, cancel 2 by 2. And then negative 5 here, move here, it will be y equal negative 1 plus 5, it will be 4. And the value here equal 4 of y. So the coordinate of point D, it will be negative 1 and 4. Next question, number 9. We have ABCD here, 4 points coordinate, and AB, no, this is not figure. He asked the opposite question. AB parallel to CD, finds the value of x. He give me AB parallel to CD. It's meaning slope of AB equivalent to slope of CD. First, we can find the slope of AP. Look at here, A and B. We write it's 2, y2 minus y1, 3 minus 2, over 2 minus minus 1, it will be 2 plus 1. 3 minus 2, 1, 2 plus 1, 3. And slope of CD, C and D here, okay, 2 minus 1 over x minus minus 4, x plus 4. It will be 1 over x plus 4. Slope 1 equals slope 2 because they are parallel. Then slope 1 equivalent to slope 2. Then 1 over x plus 4 equal 1 over 3. Then x plus 4 equal 3. So the value of x here equal negative 1. Last question. We want to find the coordinate of A and B here. First step, you can solve this example by easy method like this. Look at with me. I will do here first. First coordinate, and we have a straight line like this. Straight line. This point is the midpoint. C was 3 and 4, and this point A and here P. The point A here, the order will be x and 0, and point P will be 0 and y. You can start about the point 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4. We can write x plus 0 divided by 2 and 0 plus y divided by 2. Right, 3 equal x plus 0 x over 2 is in the value of x equals 6. And 4 equal 0 plus y divided by 2 is in the value of y equal 8. X equals 6 and y equal 8. Okay. Then the order of point B will be 0 and 8. And the order of point A will be cancel x and write 6 and 0. This point A and this point B. It's the last question now, okay? Understood?